Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply hide Z-Seam in Bambu Studio. So I'm going to create a new project, and from here I'm going to add a very simple shape, and let's say that the face of your model is going to be this one. So I'll just mark it so in that way it basically makes us easy to understand my model. So this is going to be the face of my model right here. So ideally you don't want the seam to actually show up on the face right here. So you want to go ahead and move it to a spot maybe under or at the corner of the actual model. Now to do that, we must first evaluate where the seam will appear. So you want to click slice plate option. In here, make sure that the seam is enabled, and then if you navigate through your object, there's going to be this white markings. It means that this is where the seams will appear. Now, if your model is similar to mine and it basically appeared at the corner, it's great because in that way it's not on the center of the model where it's obvious and it's basically hard to unsee. If it's in the corner, it's easy to go ahead and hide it. But what if it's not there? How can you move it to a spot where it's basically hidden? Navigate back to prepare, click on your model, and there's going to be this tool called seam painting. So you could basically paint it under if you want to. So in here, let's go ahead and paint it that way. And once again, I'm just going to paint it at the side just to basically hide it, not basically on the center of the face right here. Click slice plate once more, and here is our seam. Now you could obviously make this a little bit better because I'm doing it really quickly, but that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.